for English lesson junior in Master Day Junior High School homework. So I'm Indra Loka Tjiam, or you can call me Oka, classmate 9F episode 16 with the practice task number 161 or 161. Nowadays there are so many different ways to make easy artificial flower from paper especially. And today I will show you the acrylic paper flower technique. You just need a spare piece of origami paper and if you line up and paper spread or button for the printing paper, right? So let's get to make it. The materials we need for make this kind of flower is the first one is one square piece of paper 15 centimeters x 15 centimeters. Any can do, but I prefer that size. Second is paper scraps. Third is button and it's optional. It's up to you to use it or not. Fourth is scissors to cut the paper and cut everything with. Next is glue stick for sticking the paper and the straw together. And the last one is craft stick for the stamp. So you can also roll up some green paper and use that instead. It's up to you. For our materials we must know how to make it step by step. This is how to make flowers step by step with picture in here or in here. The first one is take your square piece of paper and prepare to concertina it to 8 equal folds. So in 8 equal folds. And this is way to make the folds in this way is how folding your paper in half and then unfolding it. So you have some 8 creases like this. Then unfold and increase it until making your fold until you have a neat concertina. And then third is cut the paper into 4 equal parts. Or if you want to cut a bigger flower, cut it in half and repeat with the same piece of paper like this. Glue the 4 pieces of paper together end to end so it will meet. Next is the end back to the first piece of paper. So you have a concertina ring in the top, like in the top folds in here. Next is gather the top of the ring together and push it down. Sometimes it will come back okay. Sometimes it will come back up again, but usually it's so good for you guys. Next is cut out the paper circle and glue the circle and the button in place. And the last one is check the craft stick or craft shirt or straw or leaf we use for the back of the flower. And paint it with green color to match the flower and secure to the back of your flower with blue or tea. So that's all for my presentation. I'm sorry if there are any mistake that I made in this video. So thank you guys for enjoying